Good afternoon. Today I want to share with you another Dollar Tree haul. And folks, I hope you don't think that Dollar Tree is the only place that I shop. But I found myself out of rice rolls, and that is a disaster for me. I just love the rice rolls. But while I was there, there were a few other items that I wanted to get because I have a certain craft that I want to do, and I wanted to make sure I had those supplies. Now, to get started, I had to go to two different stores. In fact, yesterday I went to a store in another town that is near me, got to the cash register and did not have my wallet. Oh my goodness. So after that slight embarrassment, I thought, well, I'll go back today. I went to one that is closer to me, and it is a small Dollar Tree, not fully stocked as some of the larger Dollar Trees. And then I went to another one to get everything that I needed, and I still missed on one thing. So now to get started. Also went to Sprouts today, so I thought I would share that too. I am one of those weird people that loves peanut butter kisses. They only come out at Halloween time. And I got one. It's just $1. It has to last me the whole time because, you know, there are calories in this, and I'm really trying to cut back, but I could not resist. So I got one of those. And I got some chili peanuts. Let's see, hot and spicy chili type peanuts. I really wanted to get a different kind of peanut, just plain raw peanuts, but Dollar Tree doesn't have those. Turned out Sprouts does, and I did get some there too. But I have something else that I was getting to eat these with. And that would be, let me see, maybe in one of these other bags. Oops, not in that one. Probably in this one from another store. Candy corn. Yes, Dollar Tree has candy corn. It is no brand, no name brand. It's not Brock's. Their Brock's had, was the apple pumpkin spice, and I really am not interested in pumpkin spice anything. It's just not my cup of tea. I know many of you love it, and that's okay. But I bought this, and I bought these to eat with them. That is going to be an experiment. I may even open these while I video and try them just to see. I even have a glass of water here just to make sure. Now, there's a craft I have been wanting to do, and I picked up the items for that. I have a couple of these green wreaths frames, but this one is black, and I thought black would suffice much more than green for the particular project I wanted to do. My daughter graduated from a high school, and their colors are orange and black, and they are Buccaneers. So I thought this would make a wonderful, wonderful door wreath for the football season. I have one for one door. Now I'm going to have a second one for another door. And what I thought I would do, they had this mask right here. It's a pirate mask, but what I'm going to do is adhere it to the wreath. And I found some roping that you tie around a wreath. Let me see if I can get that to show up. I may have to change the focus. But it has a little demonstration of how you can tie it around the wreath, but you use it in conjunction with these larger rolls. And let me see, these rolls have 5 yards on them. And to be on the safe side, I bought 2 of the orange and 2 of the black. I also got one of these in orange. Now, I didn't stop there. My plan was, let's see, that's just more orange and black netting stuff. My plan is, and I hope I can get it to work, I will put these 2 sabers. They look like pirate sabers. I think they look really neat. Here. And I will put the mask in front of it and then put the orange and the black all around it. I feel like there's Charlie in the background. He has to be with me all the time. He can't stand it if he's not with me. But I thought that would be so cool. And I got a few other items just to use or to fill in places. And that would be, I picked up some more at the other store because you never know when you're going to run out. And one thing about the Dollar Tree, if you don't get it when you see it, it may not be there when you get back. Especially if you live in Buccaneer territory. But I found this little packet. It has doubloons, a little knife, an eye patch. It has a bandana or headscarf as well, but I'm not going to use it. It is red, and we only do black and orange around here for fall. But I thought that is going to be such a great project. I'm going to try to do that tomorrow because Hoover has an ESPN game that if you've never heard or if you follow high school football, Hoover is usually the champions in Alabama for high school 7A football, and they are featured on ESPN quite often, especially the first game of the season. And that is this Saturday. Hopefully it will not be 100 degrees in the middle of the day for the band and the football players to be performing. But I wanted to show you a few other things that I picked up while I was there. I needed some more grocery bags, and I picked up this one. I thought it was really cute for $1. Many of the places charge $2 to $5 for these, and Dollar Tree you can pick them up for just $1. They do not have a hard lining or a hard base like many of them, but this will be fine for me just to pick up a few items from the store. And I found these cute little coasters. I wanted one for my desk. This one says blessed. I hope you can see that there. This one says do what you love and love what you do. You know, that's one thing. If you do something that you love, you will never work for the rest of your life because you will be loving what you do. And it's an extra blessing if you can make a living at it. And then life is beautiful, because life is beautiful, and it is something that I like to think about, especially. It's just one of those little things in life that you need to remember. And this one is do all things with love. You know, that's one thing Christ wants us to do, is do everything with love. Whether it be scrubbing someone's toilet, even your own toilet, or your child's toilet, or cooking dinner for your family, or just reaching out to someone else. Even making a video like I'm doing right now. I'm doing it because I love doing it, and I'm hoping that you all will get something out of it. Okay, last but not least, rice rolls, another supply. I panicked because the first store I went to, I could not find them, and I had already resolved myself that I was going to have to go to a second store, possibly a third store, to get all of these supplies to make that wreath. Usually the store that is closest to me puts these on the bottom shelf, and that was where I was looking. These were above my eye level. That's where they were, but I found as many as I needed. I did leave a few on the shelf. My friend Tammy, yep, there's still some there, so you can go get some too. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. There's a little button right there that's in red and has subscribe written on it. If you'll push that way, it'll just help me out some. Also, if you want to be notified the next time I put up a video, hit that, it's a little bell button below the subscribe button. I will be putting up a video of how I make this wreath in the next couple of days. I want to get this done tomorrow, and I hopefully will have it up by Saturday. So if pirates are your thing, and also this would make a really, really cute Halloween wreath as well. So stay tuned and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you'll know when it comes up. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great weekend. And that your favorite football team wins. I hope I like these. One peanut, one candy corn. Maybe do 2 peanuts. Dollar Tree. Not the water, the glass. Oh goodness, that is good, but you need the water. If you try it and you like it, leave me a comment.